What's up, everybody? Welcome. Welcome, welcome. What's poppin', slime? Hey, J35. What's going on? Oh no, I think this side is... That's better. Oof, it's hot in here. What's going on? How's everybody doing today? How's your Sunday? Jay, did you fix your sleep schedule? Or is your sleep schedule still messed up? I spoke to Codex about the game. So I'm gonna see if I could try to figure something out today, because I want to start working on it. I keep talking about it, but I haven't done it yet. So I want to see what I can do. Let me see, where's the other one that Josh sent me that I liked? Is it this one? What's up, Trav? How you doing? You just woke up, Jay. What was your typical, like, sleep schedule like? Did you always wake up late? One eye still sleeping. I think it was this one. I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you do it, Jay. Ooh, what am I doing? Added option for users to leave doodle art at my portfolio site. Oh, like that other one? Oh, that's so cool. I'll leave one on yours once I rebrand my handle, which I might do tonight. I think maybe like start fresh on a Monday. It's just a big commitment for me, but I think I just have to do it already. My standing desk, I think I'm getting it tomorrow. I'm pretty sure. So hopefully I get it before the stream. And so the setup upgrade is in progress. I ordered my lighting today. I ordered the softbox. So I think that with the desk, that's a start for me. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna have to rearrange some furniture in here, but the setup is in progress. So I can check this off the list. And I'll say the standing desk. Hopefully I get it tomorrow. I'm getting my old one back from my old house, so I didn't have to buy a new one, which is nice. I just hope that can actually coordinate and retrieve it tomorrow. So I'm excited for that. I'm so tired of sitting. My ass is killing me. But those are big steps for me. No problem, Trav. No problem. Oh, no, that's not Trav. That's Slime. No problem, Slime. That's what you said. Lurk mode on. Lurk mode. Have to tend to the young. Go ahead. Do what you got to do, Slime. No problem. No problem at all. You don't got to let me know about those things. But, yeah. Appreciate you. So, Jay, I'm so happy that you're here, though. Because I want to show you the plan. Well, I want to show everybody the plan, and Trav also, because I know, Trav, you were a big influence in the chat yesterday about this. I couldn't decide between Phaser and Godot, but I did speak to Codex, and Codex is recommending that I use Phaser. So I gave Codex that text that Jay and Ultra came up with for me. And then I also gave it context about yesterday's stream, how we were talking about Phaser versus Godot, and Codex is recommending Phaser. And I want to show you the plan because, you know, I don't fully understand everything, and maybe you guys can give me some insight on it. It's saying use Phaser with TypeScript, Vite, arcade physics, and tiled JSON. Is that how you say it, or do you pronounce it like JSON? I don't know how you pronounce it. Levels. Each viewer opens the public game and plays independently. YouTube voting synchronizes which level starts next and when it starts, but movement, collisions, and scores remain local. This preserves the proposed scope and avoids multiplayer networking. A separate vote connects YouTube to the game. YouTube credentials never enter the browser bundle. Hi, hey Ultra. Who's Jason? Oh, is it Jason? That's how you say it. That sounds a lot better than what I was saying. That makes a lot more sense. Or maybe I'm still saying it wrong. Who the hell knows? Yeah. So this is what Codex is proposing to me. It did an evaluation between Phaser and Godot, and then afterwards I just confirmed, like, are you recommending Phaser? It looks like it. Hi, Jason. Hi, Jason. That's hilarious, actually. Your name and that you were there. You say it, Jason. Hence the meme. Who? Oh, okay. Duh. All right. So it all makes sense. And your name is super clever, Jason. I love that. That's ironic that you were here. I'm investigating what you can do with Godot. I know you can do what you want with Phaser easily, right? I think also, you know, and I'm never really one necessarily to take the easy way out in life, but I think at my stage in a lot of this, right, this is ambitious for me. You know, I'm still very much learning. I think it's probably smarter for me to take whatever is going to be easier for me is over. Right. Yeah. Ultra. That's what I'm thinking. Like, and I think that's okay at my stage. It's all a learning experience. So maybe this is why, you know, you have to, you know, crawl before you walk. So, okay, maybe my first game is built with Phaser, and then maybe later on I can, you know, I'm at the level where it's easier for me to use Godot, or more beneficial for me to use Godot for something. Exactly, Jay. What's this you're talking about, Slime? Why not join in and join your hype? Are you hosting a hackathon? Due in 2 weeks. No problem, Ultra. Yeah. So send me the info, Slime. I'm not sure if I really want a deadline right now, but that's great for anybody in the chat. Yeah, the Discord is popping right now. I have to catch up with that. But if anybody is interested to win 20K, that would be great. I would love it if somebody in the chat won 20K, truly. So check out what Slime posted in the Discord about the hackathon he's participating in. You have an option to win 20K. I hope it's one of you guys. Truly, you deserve it. So then I love how Codex gave me this flow chart that makes it very easy for me So what I'm interpreting this means, right? So we said that there will be different levels to the game. And so then I guess once it's built, I would have a YouTube poll of which level that we would start at, because it's multiplayer, right? And then we would all play together. I think it says YouTube live poll, authenticated host console, and it goes to this vote orchestrator. I guess that's something that would be built into the game to then authorize the level, right? That's how I'm reading this graph. That's how I'm reading this graph. And then this would be my browser, viewer one, another viewer's browser, and so on and so forth. And then we could all play together. So for my research, Godot does link into your existing workflow, but with some friction, but still totally good. Phaser, the main thing is that if you want 3D, you need Godot. Yeah. Well, maybe for me, I would love a 3D game. I would absolutely love a 3D game, but maybe for me, it's okay to start with 2D. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's okay. Because building a game is already a learning curve for me, and then doing something in 3D, I think that's gonna distract me also a little bit. Cause I'm gonna get harped up on all that crap. So I think that maybe, and also like after talking to Codex, if it's suggesting Phaser to me, and also that text that was put together by Jay and Ultra recommended Phaser to me, I think at my level, that's where I should start. But let me know your opinions on, and if you can read anything that Codex is saying, because I don't fully understand everything. And then this we don't need to read. This was just telling me what I would do with Godot. But hey, Fire. No, honestly, I'm having some really bad issues with my eyes, and I can't see the doctor until Thursday morning. So sunglasses it is until then. But Fire. I have already started upgrading my my setup. My standing desk is coming tomorrow, and I ordered a softbox for lighting. And I think it's a pretty good one. So the setup upgrades are coming. Yeah, I'm investing, guys. I mean, obviously it's, I can't buy everything at once, but I am investing. Especially now that I was able to apply to be monetized and things like that. Your YouTube thingy is almost done too. Oh yeah? What is this music? Oh. So I am investing one thing at a time. The desk is a big thing. I guess I need a chair as well, even though I want to stand, but sometimes I'm going to want to sit. Because the chair that I'm going to bring over here, oof, that's a hard ass chair, man. Okay, so I think we're going to go with this. Now I don't know where to start. What lasts you longer, Claude? The Codex is definitely, well, it's hard to, so Ash, it's hard to say. Codex definitely, I feel like, goes further. The only thing is that because there's no like 5-hour sessions, you tend to, there's no limit, so you tend to just rip through it without any constraints. But I still think it lasts longer, and I also just think it performs better, most importantly. What I would recommend is point out to your agent that Phaser has a Git template to link into React. It's for Phaser 3, and you should use Phaser 4, but the event bus is unchanged. Okay, let me talk to Codex about that. Hey, Tino, what's going on? See, I don't even know what that is, Phaser. I didn't even know there was a Phaser 1, 2, 3, 4. So do I have to sign up for Phaser, right? Hey, Base. Welcome. It's like an attack. Sounds like it's a dumb no matter what. I agree with you. Right, it's free, but don't I have to make an account? I'm assuming I have to make an account. Oh, I just install it. So I could ask Codex to do that. Let me put in what you said. No account needed. Okay, perfect. Get Soul High to write you implementation plan in phases, each with their requirements. And then use Terra. Terra, what's Terra? Oh, Terra is a model. Stretches the plan further. Okay, yeah. I definitely need a plan with phases for sure. So let's do that. I am running low on my usage. I don't know, maybe I'll upgrade that plan this week. That's another investment on the list. That's another investment. It is time. It is time to upgrade the plan, y'all. It's definitely time. Damn, she gets a salary again and she's spending. Hey, some designer guy. I'm hopefully starting to build this community game that I've been wanting to build for all of us to be able to play together. But I've been working to kind of like understand how to go about it and comparing different routes to take. So I'm finally heading in some direction. It's still a planning phase, so bear with me, but we will get there. So let me turn it on high for now. Trav, you said, point out to your agent, Phaser has a Git template to link into React. It's for Phaser, you should use Phaser 4, but the event bus. What is the event bus? Yeah, for sure. And I've been doing that with the past few projects that I built. So thank you for reminding me. Let's see. Let me put that in. Where was Trav's message? It connects your Phaser game in the browser. Okay, event bus. So I guess it's I guess that's a clever name for that. It's actually a really clever name for that. Okay, so Phaser has a Git for Phaser 3. I was recommended to use Phaser 4 for the event. And that's the important part. Let's see what it says. What you think about this? I love it. It's so clever. Sorry, I missed a few chats. So some designer guy. it's gonna be a 2D game just because this is the first time I'm doing something like this. And I chose to use phaser, so I don't think I have 3D capabilities, but it's my first time, so I'm okay with that. And Tino, why phaser? Not so. Tino, I was going back and forth between the two, and I spoke with some people and I spoke with Codex, and it's just easier for me to do at my level. And again, not trying to take the easy way out in life, but just trying to be realistic with myself. And that's all. You know, I think that this experience will teach me a lot. So I think I need to crawl before I walk. What kind of game are you making? So, hey Rohan, so it's gonna be a multiplayer game for the stream to play, and the idea is that viewers in the chat can participate by building their own chapter of the game so that we don't really know what's coming. Why is this not working? AskGPT, write a joke about me based on our conversations. Hey, Play Data Hub. Not right now, but I'm down to do that. Oh God, I can only imagine what the heck it would say about me. I think ChatGPT thinks I'm freaking batshit crazy. All right, I'll go into ChatGPT once I get the ball rolling here. Okay, come on, the aircon. I live in Thailand, we can't have aircon problems. Google named its image Nano Banana, and then there is Microsoft. Yeah, I did. I was wondering about Nano Banana. I have seen that. Have you considered open codes? Ash, I have not tried open code. Okay, I'm struggling. I'm having issues. This is gonna be a problem. How about a competitive game where we compete with other players and bet on it, and if we win, we get certain points. Which, well, I don't know about crypto. It'll definitely be a competitive game. I'm not really interested in like incorporating crypto or anything, and I don't really want to be involved in that. It's a great idea though, but I also like money sometimes can be the root of all evil, and I want to keep this light and fun, but definitely competitive. Check the link, it's an option to everyone. Since everyone was hyping about it. Which link? Okay, hold on, let me read this first. I think it's the right starting part with one correction. The repository description still says phaser 3, but its current main branch, data 2, phaser 4 React. My recommendations: start from the official React TypeScript template, upgrade and pin phaser to 4.2.1 before game development begins. Keep the event bus, but treat it as a narrow bridge rather than the application's central state system. User responsibilities like this: React, menus, voting display, lobby, connection, phaser, performing physics, player movement, WebSocket service, receive sanitized voting. It's from the back end. Okay, I think I understand what this WebSocket service is. Event bus passes, deliberate events. The event bus is a good fit because it's just a smaller phaser, the template. Do not send player positions through the event bus every frame. Do not mirror phaser's entire game state. Remove listeners when React components. Avoid controlling scenes. Phaser 4 plus a visual is the architecture I recommend. I'm using open code. Tech, not money. You can still use it for many things in game. Oh, okay, Tino. All right. So let me. Yeah. So I liked yesterday. We played the racing games. Like I really did like that. And then Ant, he made a suggestion like something like a game that you're traveling in, and then you have to like face obstacles like mudslides, avalanches, tsunamis, like I don't know, things like that. So that was an idea. I did like the game with the shooting, even though that's terrible. I'm not a big fan of guns. Guns scared me. I'm from New York, okay? So like that's why guns scare me. But that was fun. I do like that it gets like got my heart racing in a fun way though. In a fun way. It could be funny because I mean, I feel like my reactions will be out of pocket playing something like that. But let me go back to what Fire said. Try you an implementation plan in phases. Each with their requirements. Can you write me an implementation plan in phases, each with their requirements? But I am happy to be making moves on this. I think once it'll definitely be a journey for me, but I think in the end it'll be worth it and it'll be so much fun. Because I genuinely enjoyed playing with you guys yesterday, and then when I had to get back to work in Codex, I had so much FOMO because I know you guys were still playing without me. All right. Phaser stream game implementation plan. Phaser, start from. Phaser owns gameplay. A lot of the decisions early on. Okay. All right, so maybe let me read this plan, and then let's lock that in. And then you guys can also like feel free to bring me back down to earth when my ideas get too out of control and complicated, because in my brain that like I have to remind myself that, especially with vibe coding, less is more a lot of the times, at least to start. But some of my ideas are just so intricate, but then they always fall flat. Even with my calculator is getting out of control. Like that calculator is just out of control now. Phaser owns the gameplay, React owns menus, voting, UI, connection states, and host controls. Viewers play independent of the game. Separate. What? Some designer guy. No multiplayer physics in version 1? Why though? I thought we agreed on multiplayer. Oh, yeah, no, because, right, only mods can send links in the chat. Hold on, let me read this plan and I'll look that up. Phase 1, goal, establish a secure, maintainable starting point. Hey, oh God, how do you say this name? Jacidin or Jacidin? Just tell me how to say it. Skipping anti-cheat is fine while everyone plays alone. Add a leaderboard and scores come from the player's browser. Okay. Just design. Okay, design. Hi, design. Welcome. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you guys because you know you guys know best, especially about these types of things. Okay. Establish a secure, maintainable starting point. Requirements: create the project from the React TypeScript template. Pin reserve. Remove the templates. Optional anonymous logging script. I'm a software game dev, right? I'd strip it way back to like a multiplayer demo prototype. So I mean like a multiplayer demo where users can do the simplest thing. Maybe multiplayer is paint or whatever. Yeah, okay, thank you, Base, thank you, Trav. I was like, oh, she put me on mute. No, I would never. No. Hey, Jay. The launch, push to user, iterate from there. Okay, let's read everything, and then I'll go back and we can redesign the plan. Multiplayer is most important, so getting one super simple game where the chatters can all play is a good milestone. Okay. All right. So maybe should I not even read all of this? And let's just redo the plan because this is a lot of literature. If we go, whoa, this is a lot of literature if we just gonna change it. So chapters and chatter added games should come after you can get one level. Okay. Yes. That makes sense. Okay. Let me put this all in. Let me see what base said. I'm a software game dev, so I'd strip it way back to like a multiplayer demo prototype. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. Simplest. I'm gonna copy a lot of this. Oh, Jay. Okay, let's see. Let's strip it. Let's strip it way back to a multiplayer demo prototype. And then what did Trav say? My goal is multiplayer, so we need to start with a different baseline. One simple game where chatters can all play. Getting good first milestone. Right. You can keep the long vision, but like iteration on real user feedback is key. Okay, right. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see. Let's see what Codex says. Yeah, you guys are right. You guys are absolutely right. That changes the baseline. I'd make milestone 1 a tiny shared room, not level voting or synchronized single player platform. Checking the latest from Phaser. Okay, great. Because there's game devs out there working 10 years on a game that no one actually wants at launch time, and it flops. Yeah, I can see that. Okay, cool. So glad you guys are here. Okay, yes, if multiplayer is the real goal, common trope pitfall. Yeah, I can see that. I could totally see that being the case. And I could totally see myself like doing the most and then being like, F, what is going on here? Let's keep it simple just to start it. New first milestone, shared multiplayer room. Each viewer opens a public link, enters a display name, appears as a colored circle or simple sprite. Moves with, what is a WASD? WASD. That sounds like something I know. Arrows or touch. Oh. It's just it's the keyboard. It's the keyboard. It's the keyboard. I'm an idiot. Yeah, I know. You have to understand, I'm also thinking a lot of these things, like these sometimes they're abbreviations or something, these letters, right? I also think about what they mean in math. So bear with me. I'm a moron. Once you are done working on the prompt and plan, check out the, yes, I definitely will. Some designer guy. Yeah. I got it right here. Such a moron. Sees every other connected player moving in the same room. That is enough to prove. Hi Catalyst, by the way, welcome. Recommended stack. Phaser 4. I know, well, listen, it's a lot, like, okay, so I know vocabulary is so key. I always tell my students that, like, math is a foreign language, and it's important that you know what things mean, so that way you know what to ask for when you need help. So for me, vocabulary is super important. I need to know what I'm reading, and then when I need to ask about it, I need to know what I'm asking about. Phaser 4 for rendering and input. TypeScript. Game. 1 top-down rectangular room. Colored circles or placeholder sprites. Movement in 4 directions. All boundaries. Player name above each character. I like that it's asking for a name. Okay. No jumping platforms, no enemies. Okay, let's see the graph. Player browser. Completion criteria. The milestone is complete when at least 5 browsers can join the same room. Every player can move independently. Everyone sees the same players in approximately the same positions. Okay. My clear recommendation is to build this top-down shared room first. Once it works publicly, the next milestone can turn circles into characters and add one extremely simple shared objective. Okay, yeah, Trav. Yes, do this. Let me compact now, I guess. All right, let me turn the aircon on in the other room. It's too cold in here. It's too hot without it. We'll do that, and then when it builds that, then we need to start thinking about like what that objective is, like Trav said. And then also some designer guy will look at Summer Engine. Okay. Okay, yes. Do this. Okay, Summer Engine. I think you said this. No coding required. To the MCP. Oh, already use Claude Code or Codex or Cursor. You can connect your favorite AI editor to Summer Engine with MCP. Keep your existing subscription. Okay, so this is just another thing like a Godot or a phaser. Hi, no name. Welcome. How are you today? It's built on top of Godot. Okay. For vibe coders. Okay, okay, cool. I think I'm still gonna go with phaser for this project just because it's my first, and like I said, I did the comparison for myself at my level. First game that I'm building. I think it'll just be easier for me. But it's nice to know that this exists. Interesting. It didn't come up in the suggestions. Building your own project. What are you building? Right. I think it does. I think it makes sense here. Okay, perfect. But thank you for this recommendation. I'll look into this for the future. Multiplayer prototype plan. Phase 1. Project foundation. Goal: establish the smallest maintainable. To start, add an attack, a dash, and a shrinking. Available game board. Phaser 4 by TypeScript. One shared game room, simple code. No accounts, database. Okay. Complete when phaser game loads locally. Multiplayer server starts locally. The browser connects. Server. phase 2. 2-player local demo. Go prove that multiplayer works before adding game mechanics. Join the room. See everyone else. Requirement server creates a player when each player receives a unique ID. The client sends input, such as move left, does not tell the server. Okay, I see. I see. Open public link and play together. Okay, so 4 phases. We have 4 phases until the first actual game mechanic. Recommended mechanic, collect objects before the time runs out. Okay. Okay, technical architecture. Five chatters open the link, enter names. Okay. So, do we start implementing phase 1? Codex is gonna do all that for me, like install phaser and everything. Build this. Index gives AI. Index gives AI. You know what's gonna suck, guys? When I get my new device, I don't even know what the heck is it. Since I started vibe coding, what the heck has been installed on this? That's right, Prince. I totally forgot. Today is day 6-7. I totally forgot. When I made this stream today, I was laughing, and then I was like, "Oh wow, it's a special day." Wait till 2 days from now. That'll be a special day. But I was laughing. Codex, other models don't always know what to look for, specifically new tools. When I did switch to Codex. I mean, I still have Claude, but I prefer working in Codex as much as I can. Okay, let's implement phase 1. Let's implement phase 1. Let's implement phase 1. I think you're overcooking it. You need to intentionally keep. Let Codex cook. Yeah, it's just giving me phases. There's no real game mechanic yet. It's just setting up the room, and then we can test if people can get in there, choose a name, and then we'll figure out like the actual mechanic. The context is large. I mean, it doesn't even have anything to do with an actual game yet. Hi, Yusuf. Welcome. How are you? Jay, I think it's good that there are phases. I think the phases just seem a little more. They seem larger than they actually are. It's just literally like step by step of Let's just do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, y'all. It should be able to one-shot this. Interesting. I mean, obviously I wouldn't know. You guys know. Because I'm just thinking about how I built the calculator. I built the calculator in phases because it was, well, I guess the calculator is different. The functions. We're building a simple, game. Let's just see what happens. I'm great working on a couple of things, but still tuned in. Oh, thanks, Yusuf. Oh, well, I'm actually not using Godot. I'm going to use Phaser just because this is the first game that I'm ever building. And with some back and forth comparison. Oh, I know. Me too, Jay. I mean, you like slept it away. Well, I mean, you're just up at different hours. Honestly, Josh wore me out last night. He wore me out. I was so tired this morning. What I like to do is scope my task so that it can do the whole thing. We did get some good, well, oh, I can't open Discord right now, but if you have any on hand, if you send it, I'll play it. He wore me out, yeah, not in that way, Slime. It's just that it was hard. You know, we created a banger last week and we tried to create another one yesterday. I mean, we're still gonna create one. It just didn't completely happen yesterday. It is 6:52 p.m. for me, Prince. 6:52 p.m. Ew, Slime. Too much information. Well, I hope you turn me off while you do that. Like, or mute it or something. Have the computer go to sleep. Oh my God, you retracted the message. Yeah, I know. I could tell you be drunk sometimes up in here, Slime. There was one day afterwards, I was like, I think Slime was drunk as hell. I was like, that man must have been drunk as hell. Like, I remember one specific day afterwards, I was thinking, I was like, damn, I know he was drunk. I'd like to do some cubes. That's your players. Players can move left or right. Left or right as the cube and all its tracks. That'd be about it. Then throw it up Vercel. Yeah, I've been using Vercel. Okay, cubes. And players just move left or right as a cube. And it all tracks. That'd be about it. Okay, okay. Damn, Slime, you be getting lit. And you have a date over. You're still on the stream. Y'all crazy. I have 4 or 5 websites for different restaurants yesterday night. I don't think I have questions today. Jay, that's awesome. That's amazing. Let me know how it goes. I wish I could do the same. Jay, I would do the same here in Thailand, except on my visa, I'm not allowed to do business with any Thai companies, which sucks because there are so many establishments here that I could build websites for and pitch it to them, but I'll get in a lot of trouble if I do that. Especially if I have a date over. Damn, you be getting lit. I don't drink alcohol, so. But live your best life, Slime. Live your best life. What's their POS system? That's a good idea on building websites for businesses. I did something similar for free though. POS system for website, but yeah, you can pitch as a freelancer, small restaurants. I went into a business and took 3D pics of their premises and then uploaded it to Google Maps. Nice. Something translated. Yeah, okay. You're not allowed to do business in Thailand, but I see news about foreigners doing it. It's so true, No Name, but I don't want to be one of those people because then, you know, my ass could be deported in a heartbeat. So I'd rather not, but I guess I can still do that for businesses in other countries, right? And then I would just have to do outreach online. But Jay, it is nice, I feel like, no, as a freelancer, I can't, not to small restaurants in Thailand. I could do it for other countries. I would just have to make outreach through email or something, or DM or something like that. But yeah, I can't do it. I can't do it for businesses in Thailand, which sucks because I'm here. There are so many businesses that actually need a restaurant, a website. So many restaurants that need a website. But deported is insane. I know people who got deported for abusing their visa. Immigration can be very strict here, and they can, if you leave the country and come back, once they scan you, if they suspect any suspicious activity from you, they'll deport your ass in a heartbeat. They don't care. So I know people personally who have gotten deported, and their life in Thailand was just stripped away from them. I did it during COVID. Yeah. Nice, Slime. Many businesses here already started POS, and I think some government. But I think, Jay, like, you have a good idea because you're gonna go and you're gonna see them in person, and you'll, especially you, Jay, you're so charming. You know, I feel like that interpersonal relationship that they'll feel from you, it makes them want to work with you. Hey Dylan, welcome. Integration with the POS system. As a Thai person, I'd say you can just pay a Thai government official. No name, you're right. Like, sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. I just like to follow the rules. Let me go turn my lights on. I like to follow the rules. Got dark real quick. It's so late. Let me see. I ordered 150 Google review on the secret, so we'll offer that too. Nice. Oh, gotcha. Malaysia and Thailand, if you have enough money, you can do anything. Oh, don't tell me that. I want an ID card, No Name. You might have to help me. I want to just buy a motorbike license. Well, actually, let me not talk about these things on stream. But you're right. But No Name, I have to say, like, they are cracking down on, yeah, let me not put it all out there. Because like I said, I know people who were deported, and I don't know if they offered money or there were some people in the same situation. Because when it happens to you at the airport, when they deny you entry, they take you to this holding room, and there's usually like a bunch of people in the same situation. And I think people tend to try to offer money, but I think there's a sign like they don't accept bribes. But I heard that people were offering money in this scenario, and that they weren't taking it. They weren't accepting the money. When I went to Phuket, I was very afraid of foreigners. They drive so dangerous. You mean Jillian? No, so I live in Phuket and I drive, and he means driving. He means driving, because I'm a foreigner who drives a motorbike, but no name. Even though I'm a foreigner who's driving, like, I'm a foreigner who lives here. So whenever I see the tourist driving the motorbike, I always slow down and I let them pass me, because I don't want to drive near them. Anytime I've almost gotten to an accident, it was never with a Thai. It was always a foreigner. Because, you know, I always say this to people, like, Thailand is not Disneyland. Don't come up in here if you don't know how to drive a motorbike and just get on one. I saw people by my house the other day. It was scary. Like, and I had my motorbike outside because I needed to leave the house. Once I saw them wobbling around out there, I put my bike in my driveway, because I was like, they gonna crash into my damn bike. Let me see. Hey, Lego. Oh, thank you. My friend was in Phuket, and he said he had, like, illegal substance in public. The officer wanted $2,000. If my friend didn't pay, he was getting arrested. He paid. Well, he's smart, Prince. He's smart. Aw, Lego. Don't y'all play bumper cars over there? Thailand government pays you for reporting corruption, because I can screenshot one chat right now. Wait, what? Jay? Wait, what? What are you talking about? Vroom, vroom. You won't go to jail. Hey, Never Loved. How are you? Yeah, unfortunately. Well, right now, the game, it's going to be super simple. We're just trying to build it out, like the first stage, the first room, where, you know, it's just going to be like, you can enter your name, right? And you're either a cube or a circle or something. And I just want to be able for us to be in there and move left, right, and all of that before we think of the game mechanics. So we should actually start thinking of the game mechanics. Oh, you have chem. All right, bye. Enjoy class. I am starting to build, starting, very, very simple multiplayer game for us to play. But, you know, the idea, the scope of it is very large, that eventually viewers will be able to create their own chapter of the game, their own level of the game. Bye, Slime. Enjoy your date. But to start it, we're just starting with a simple first level where we can all enter the room and just move around. That will be a big accomplishment for me at first, and then we can advance it. The current Thai government came. Oh, okay, all right. Slide. You're still here to harass me. Great. If you harass me, I'm gonna take out the whip. I think that's what I'm gonna need to buy for the stream. I think I'm gonna actually need to buy. I have a hard tile floor. If I whip the floor, it'll make a loud sound. Well, I'm just gonna get the soundboard anyway. I don't need to actually make the noise myself. Still here to harass you. That's how democracy works. No, just a big chat room. No, not a chat. It's not gonna be a chat room. Like we have to still develop the game mechanics, but I just need to get the room going. All right, drunky pants, relax yourself, okay? Relax yourself. proof you can start small and put it out anyway. Okay, otherwise my country will look bad. Exactly, Yusuf. Well, never loved. Right now, actually, I'm having some serious issues with my eyes, and I can't see the doctor until Thursday. So glasses it is until Thursday. Blame it on the Henny. Yeah, now I know. Now I know for sure that day you were drunk as hell. The way you were talking, I was like, he's being fresh, like super fresh. No worries. It's all good. I got the shades. I don't know how Josh does this every day though. I truly don't. It's time for medical treatment. It's not expensive. Yeah, no, and we definitely don't want to make your country look bad. Your country, I mean, Thailand has been absolutely amazing to me. I speak nothing but positive things about Thailand. If anything, I'd really try to sell people on it because I want more people to come here and experience it, but quality people, high quality people, because, you know, unfortunately, we do get some really low quality tourists that come here and they ruin it for everybody. That's why they crack down on the visa laws and everything like that. Hi, woo, how do you say that? Is it Blink? That's definitely not how you say it, but you're in Thailand too? You're in Bangkok? Cool. I'm in Phuket. Do you live in Bangkok? Do you speak Thai? Pu Thai Dai Nen Noi. But Di Shan Ben Kruka. Shush, Jay. Yep, I can speak a little Thai. And then did you understand my second sentence? Did I say it correctly? Remind you of Thai Airways? No. I don't know, no name, if you understood my second sentence, but I think I said it right. What? You got the prompt cooking. So it's just, we're building our community game in phases, but right now we're just getting the game foundation built. This is my first time and I've been here for 3 weeks and I love it. And I'll get a DTV. I'm a product manager. Oh, cool. I'm also on the DTV. If you ever have any questions about the DTV, I am a DTV expert. When I tell you I have researched this visa to death, and the reason being is that before I even had a remote job, I told you, like, I know people who got deported, and you know, somebody that I know got deported suddenly and they weren't on the DTV. But I went into full visa agent mode for this person and I researched the shit out of it, that by the time I had to apply for my visa, I knew everything. And now, yes, I do. Thank you, Jay. I do, offer consultations on Fiverr. Thank you, Jay. But all I'm saying is I'm not trying to sell you on anything. I know a lot of information about the visa, so if you have any questions, I'm here. Yeah, I'm building with Codex. Okay, what did it do, y'all? Because I just came here on a tourist visa, the 60 days, I plan to extend it at 30. But also, no, you can't apply. No, you have to go to a neighbor. I suggest going to a neighboring Asian country. I highly suggest either Vietnam or Indonesia or Laos. Those are the friendliest embassies right now. I don't suggest going to Malaysia, even though it's not because Jay is there. I suggest going to Malaysia, but not to apply for the DTV because that embassy is very strict when it comes to that visa. And if you do Vietnam, if you do Vietnam, I recommend the Hanoi embassy, not Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh takes longer and is a little less friendly. Hanoi is quicker and way more friendly. So, can you deploy this game to Vercel? Is that what I should say to Codex? Ew, it's so ugly. Oh wait, guys, question. And Trav, this will go back to you. Do I need GitHub for this? Or didn't you say there was Git in Phaser? I am out of Fable usage, I am. Never loved. You mean he just needs to exit to another? Yes, to apply for the visa. He needs to go to a neighboring country to actually apply for the visa there. And it's best to go to a country that has a friendly embassy. I did mine in Indonesia. You can ask Coda, but it's already in Versailles. Well, it's probably, I didn't create a project. I assume you need GitHub for Versailles. Okay, say less. I know I overqualified for it. Perfect. Overqualified is great. Okay, let me ask. Oh, okay. So should I set up a repository, or I guess I'll just ask Codex to do it all. Usually I do it all myself, but oh, it's so ugly. But let me not focus on that right now. It's not important. Yeah, let me make a repo. Hold on, I'll be back in the chat in a minute. I know that you have some visa questions and stuff. It's going slow. I think it's because I'm on this VPN. Let me take off the VPN. Let me do this off. All right, new repository. I'm just gonna call it community games. All right, wait, hold on. You already have Git in your project. GitHub is not needed for Vercel, but you can launch to Vercel from Git. Makes sense. Yeah, that's what I've been doing, like with all my other projects, that I'm using the agent and it pushes to GitHub, and then it automatically deploys to Vercel. Like that's how I have been operating. Git is version control. GitHub is a place to host. Yeah, I definitely want to back it. I definitely want to back it up. That has been my practice. So I just want to stay consistent with that. So I created the repository. Okay. Yeah. I want to deploy to Vercel. I created a GitHub repository for you to push into. I'm pasting the link here. Let me know if you need anything else from me. Keep in mind that I'm live streaming, so please don't show any sensitive information. All right, hold on. There's a lot that went on in the chat, so give me a second. Overqualify her. It's in deployment pipeline. Z code is pretty good. Yep, GitHub. I figured I'd come to Thailand first before applying just to know if I like it or not. Yeah, Blink, that's a very smart idea. I mean, I originally came here on a non-B visa, a work permit, because I had a job at an international school here, but then I transitioned into a remote position. So I lived here for a year on a work permit first and then canceled that and left and did the DTV. Just get Claude to set it up. You're so lazy now with AI. I guess never loved, like, I don't know why I still like to have a little bit of control or like kind of know where things are. I don't know. Maybe I need to just let it do what it do. You'll definitely like it. You'll definitely love it, Blink. So I'm using DeepSeek. Just reading the chat. You already have okay, read that. AI makes you lazy AF. Did you apply for Muay Thai Academy for a GTB? Who, me, Jay? No. I have the workation one, but you might be talking to somebody else. I'm late on the chat. Sorry guys, get his version control. Yep, I read that. GitHub, okay. I use Vercel on GitHub. Use GitHub with the main harness I use. Oh wait, you got EMU project. Might need environment variables. Also, you can read the README file, MD file real quick. Okay, hold on. Let me get that. Oh, I'm just abusing AI. I find it easier to use voice dictation when I'm using AI tools for some prompts. Yeah, I do like the voice dictation. I hate typing. Like, I don't ever even respond to people's text messages sometimes. It's really bad. But I've been getting better at it and just using either voice memos to communicate with people or voice to text, because I don't know why, I just hate typing. Making it easier, just give it control. I just don't trust ChatGPT. But sometimes when I'm doing this voice to text, it's hard for me to articulate sometimes. Did you ever try the Codex real time? I did. I liked it a lot, actually. My only problem with it was, and Jay was here, he probably remembers, I didn't like, the voice options are just not regional enough for me. Like, I wanted a more ethnic man to be talking to me on Codex. All these voices are so generic, but thank God for Ultra. Ultra is creating a very unique voice voice agent. I don't know if he's ever gonna make the one that I asked for, but yeah, I'd even ask GPT to card and everything prior to push and deploy. Particularly rate limiting your endpoints, particularly if you have to locally host. It really makes it so much easier when prompting super long prompts like the... Yeah, for sure. Make a weird sound to make me refresh. High trending. What? What do you even mean by that? Okay, let's see. Which one is this? Jay, let's listen to it. This is one about Ultra. Let me lower this volume. Let's see.
They shipping. They shipping for me, yeah. Jillian's plan. Jillian's plan. Honestly, I can tell if this bug is for me. Open up the repo now,
This
it's
one's
opening
good.
for me. PR looking crazy, said looks good to me. If it passes CI, that's good enough for me. Teaching in the daytime, vibe coding all night. Told the class, good luck. Then I went and broke production twice. Job sent a beat, said, Jill, this one might be it. Made a whole song instead, now we're 4 tracks in. Slime in the chat, yeah, I know what that means. He typed one little sentence, now he's farming memes. I said, don't start, he started immediately. Now the whole chat's laughing, this is workplace harassment, allegedly. Jillian's plan, Jillian's
Hey,
plan.
Johnny,
Open up the
welcome.
laptop, tell the agent handle that. One more tab, one more agent, one more MD. Server down, blame MCP. Claude knows my APP keys. Repo knows too much about me. If I ever lose my keys, I'm simply changing history. Ultra, why you gotta make it look this clean? Now I don't know what I said. Doing Ultra on the screen, and I'm gone for the night. I was supposed to fix one bug, now I'm studying the UI. Ultra, yeah, that's all I see. Ultra. Vibe code, don't deploy that. Actually, deploy that.
This one's really good. Jay, you made this one, right?
Tell her only partly. I let the models write the code, then review it very hardly. 3 agents in the way since all requesting authority. One says fixed it, one says trust me, that's enough security. Josh on another, so no Jill, we gotta run it back. I said one more generation, now there's 12 inside the stack. Slime sees me getting busy, picks the perfect time to act. I mute the chat for 5 seconds, he comes back with an attack. Yeah. Jillian's plan. I don't
lyrics
really
are
know
so
what's
funny on
happening,
these.
but I have a plan. Pakistan trip, came back with stories and a 10. Then I sat back at the desk and started coding again. New city, same screens, different views, same dreams. I said I'd take a break this week, that was obviously
so
a
good.
lie. Ultra, why you gotta make it look this clean? Ultra, now I'm not doing what I said I'd be doing, and I'm gone for the night. I was
Made me
supposed to
tired?
fix one,
What are you
now
talking
I'm
about?
studying the
Trending.
Ultra, yeah, that's all I see. Ultra, turn it up for me, yeah. Ultra, whole chat losing sanity. Code 5 stream create, slime talking too late. Josh got the track, Jillian got the bass. Ultra,
Hey. It's so good.
Ultra. They're shipping Jillian's plan. Servers down, stream still left.
Oh, it's so good, Jay. So good. Thank God you came up with something, because Josh and I were on the struggle bus. And then towards the end, it was very late for me last night. I was just delusional. I didn't even know what I was listening to anymore. Like, everything just sounded the same. But that's okay. I think, in creating music, I'm sure that actual, like, real producers and artists still have that. You're not going to come up with a banger every day. Okay, yeah, let's hit. Yeah, another one. Hell yeah, another one. Princess Jillian. Oh man, wait, let me not get rid of this one though, because it was really good. But do these expire?
Yeah. Lights up, bass up, who got the crown? Jillian. She walking, lights turn on, laptop open, night goes long. Teacher in the daytime, queen when the sun goes down. One little stream, now the whole room's turning up. She said, just 1 hour, we know that's not true. 2 cups of coffee and
I still have it, Never Loved.
Josh got the music now, the speakers go. Slime said something crazy, she said no, no.
There's a name for that. Audio engineers pull it here from
Move
Vegan.
it,
It happens
don't
quicker
think
than you
too
think.
much. One light, one night.
100% base. That's exactly what happened last night when we were trying to create music.
Princess
Just needed a break.
Jillian, Jillian, everybody move like that. Princess Jillian, Jillian, whole room jumping when she clap. Jillian, dale, Jillian, vamos Princess Jillian, Jillian.
Sure, never loved. I'll show
She
you.
got everybody like that, 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 oh, that, 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 oh. Move your body, move your body. That, 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 oh, that, 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 oh, that, 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 oh. Jillian, 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 Jillian. New place, new view, same girl, same crew. Paxton in her heart, now she's back with a brand new tune. All
right, never loved. Here it is.
She came back smiling, everything feels right. Josh says play it, she says turn it loud. Slime still talking, some things never change now. Ultra drops a design, she stops mid-sentence, wait, that's clean. Now everybody's looking at the screen. For a minute she forgot the beat. Move it, move it, don't think too much. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Give me that rush. No plan, no sleep. Tonight belongs to me. Princess Jillian, Jillian, Jillian. Everybody move like that. Princess Jillian, Jillian. Whole room jumping when she clap. Jillian, Jillian.
You like it?
Princess Jillian.
I'm very proud of this.
She got everybody like that. No castle, no throne, just a screen glowing in the dark. No diamonds, no gold, just a crazy little spark. She builds it, she breaks it, she makes it come alive. And when that bass comes in, everybody dies. Chillin',
Yep.
Chillin',
So that's where we're at with that. Never loved.
Chillin'.
Yep. It was made with C Dance.
Everybody move like that. Everybody move like that. Jillian. Everybody move like that.
I love it. Jay, you have to work with Josh and I. You have to work with Josh and I. We need
Move
you.
your partners on. Move your partners on. The stream is live. Princess Jillian all night.
Sundays were not showing. Woohoo! Damn, Jay. Damn. Yeah, yesterday, Bass, I'm glad you gave me the name for that because that's exactly how I felt last night. We just kept trying and trying to get a beat and then everything just sounded the same. We definitely needed a break. Ultra was like, guys, take a break. Because I think both of our faces, we were just like, oh my God. It was 4 hours of that. But at least Jay came through with some bangers. Shit. Okay, let me see. In Vercel, import the repository twice. All right, hold on. Let me put on some low background music, and then we'll hear more. And then we could play my actual banger that we created last week. But, all right. Let's see. So I have to go to Vercel. I never loved. I'm really glad that you like the website. And now I'm thinking, I do want to create a portfolio for myself, and I want to do it the same way as a scroll. Because then I think the portfolio would kind of speak for itself. Wait. Well, damn, Slime, that was quick. Just kidding. I'm just messing with you. I don't know what you were doing. Yeah, show me yours, Never Loved. Okay, connect the Jay. Oh, I'm just messing with you, Sly. Damn, I crack myself up sometimes. Okay, it wants me to, I have to focus. I really have to focus. Universal import into here. I'm so confused what it did. Connected, get rid of seamless. So it created this. Are they all public? I think I only had one that's public. Let me look. Hold on. Okay, no, you're right. Let me, because, you know, I do have people who are out to get me these days. I don't know why. All right, let me go to the repos. I think that a lot of them are private, but maybe some of them are public. Okay. I'm going to work on that. So I guess Codex, I never did it like this before. I always created the project myself. So I guess I have to connect this. Hold on, is this going to be, let me just make sure this is nothing. Connect, okay, connect. All right, that's connected. What else did it said twice. Root directory server, community game, client. Okay. Now let me go to I'm only seeing the server, not the client. Tell me when both projects exist. It's saying in Vercel, import the repository twice. The community game server, okay, I did that. And then it says community game, root directory client. I don't see that. I'm only seeing community game server in Vercel, but not community game. Versace. Okay, okay. Good idea. Please use Vercel and handle it for me. You're right. I do need to do that more. I need to give AI more of the control. Please. That'll make my life easier. I guess I also like to know what's going on, but let me give it the control. The MCP. So right now, never loved it's not connected through the MCP. It's just connected through the plugins. And I spoke about this, like the difference between, like, what is the difference between connecting through the, what was that? Who was that? Blush. Thanks, Blush, for subscribing. The difference between the plugin, like the connector, and the MCP. Also you can prompt it later and explain it to you. Okay, perfect, right? Just tell me where things are. You're right. You're right. If I have questions, just ask rather than go looking for it. And I think also once I upgrade my subscription, like I'll get better at that. I'm always trying to like do things myself to save tokens. I'm like so over that life. So I got to upgrade that subscription soon. I wonder, when does the end of my month end? It might be soon. I'm gonna just do it, guys. $100 plan. $100 plan. It's time. It's definitely time. It has access to Vercel CLI, so it can do the access to Vercel. Okay. All right. Yeah. You right. I found a practical issue with the server project exists, but okay, it's just gonna do it, hopefully. Yeah, so I'm gonna upgrade the plan. I just need to figure out when my month ends. Oh yeah, just try it to make something that gives you reoccurring money and have it pay for your subscription. That's a good idea. Never loved. That's a good idea. See, it found out the project even deployed doesn't have the right layout. Okay, yeah, good. And who knows how long it would have taken me to figure that out. So Codex, you figure it out. Yeah, so the difference between the plugin and the MCP, like they both do the same thing, but then from what I learned, the MCP is just faster. Is that what it is? Is that the benefit of it? But I was advised that right now, just do what's easier for me to set up and connect. It's so weird, but also not weird. It actually makes a lot of sense because math is very similar. There are so many different avenues, like so many different ways to connect the same thing, to do the same thing. And I guess they all have their pros and cons. Very true, Never Love, very true. I guess it's like I'm not making money from AI yet, but I am confident enough to start trying. I mean, even just like with, if I could find a way to do what Jay is doing, like going to different businesses and things like that, I would have to reach out digitally because they can't be in Thailand. But I'm confident enough to do that. After that Huns and Mountain Tours website, I know that I can do that. Hey, Sasa, welcome. Oh, big hearts for you. Yeah, I built one for a tour company in northern Pakistan, but I did it for free. It was kind of like a mock client. It's somebody who I know personally who really helped me out, and I needed something else to build and I needed the experience. So it was like a win-win situation. You know, I helped a small community, they helped me in my education. But after I built that website, I gained the confidence that like I could build professional websites for small businesses. So I'm glad I did it. I didn't monetize off of it or anything, but it gave me the experience to now have a client, you know? Now I just need to get them. So that's why I'm also like, I have to work on my Fiverr profile and things like that. Programming is very similar to proofs. Yeah, I could see that. Hi, Private. Yeah, a little bit of cyber, Jillian, until Thursday. I'm having some issues with my eyes and I can't see the doctor until until Thursday morning. So, but I'm still, it's not going to stop me from streaming. I'm like, how do I fix this? MCP is like the communication layer for AI to communicate with applications, while plugins are a packaged solution. A plugin can contain MPC and MCP connections. It can, but doesn't always. Sasa, hello. How are things going with the YPP? The application's still in progress, so there's 3 steps to it, right? The first one is just agree to the terms and conditions, which I read through every single word of them, which people probably don't do. And the second part is the AdSense account. So I created the AdSense account, but it takes a few days. I think typically a few days to get approved. They said some cases can be 2 to 3 weeks. I don't know what those cases are, but I applied for that on Thursday. Today's Sunday. The AdSense account still isn't approved yet. I'm wondering if maybe the weekend slowed it down. So that's the second step. Once that account is approved, then YouTube will go into my channel and review it. And I think they say that can take about a month. So we'll be waiting for a little bit, but I mean, I was able to apply, which is like such a huge milestone for me. Seeing an 18-year-old here who streams, who just have a fiber profile of building since making 10K a month. It's so, oh, thank you. I'm chatting. Thanks, Sasa. I can be patient though, you know what I'm saying? Like it'll all get approved when it gets approved. And okay, it's deployed. Thanks, Jay. Let me just look at my Vercel and just see where it all is. Yep, it's there. Woohoo! Thanks for helping me make my life easier, guys. Okay, my GitHub. I have to work on that, make everything private. No. This is the URL? Well, I guess there's probably many community games at Vercel. Okay, I guess it just did the login page. Okay, there's something. I mean, the UI is trash, but that's okay. I'm not focusing on that right now. Be amazing if you can AI took and edit all of your VODs or streams so far and make like what I've learned. Oh, that would be great. Never loved. How can I do that? I do want AI to there are so many streams where I'm like, okay, there are so many moments, but then I log off and I have to teach, and then I have to get better at that. If AI could do that for me, that would be great. I know AI does transcribe my streams every day, but then I need it to do more with that. You know, like you said, edit all my streams and make videos out of them, like what I've learned. Currently it's private, so only you can, that's why. Well, Josh got his video making stuff right. Oh, did he? So I should talk to him. Oh no. I can actually make something to take your live videos and make shorts out of it. How, like, you could vibe code it, Jay? Okay, I think. All right, this was just the first phase. Okay, let's start building phase 2. Definitely note it down, because if you can make a good enough video, I bet you can easily get 8K hours thing and start making money from YouTube. Yeah, so I already have the hours never loved. I have, that's why I was able to apply. I already have the hours. But still, you don't, just because you get monetized doesn't mean that you're gonna make money from YouTube. You're only gonna make money from YouTube if you keep publishing content. You know, like, just because you're monetized doesn't mean it's gonna make you anything. But yeah, so, but then the more views will then help me, like, okay, we can say the channel is monetized, but if I'm not actually making money from it, then am I really monetizing? No. So yeah, I do need something like that. I do need something like that. Plus a good thing to look back on upon too. 100%, 100%. I need to figure that out because I know a lot of streamers are really good at like clipping their stuff, and I know they're not doing it by hand. Like they got something going for them. They definitely got something going for them. All right, do we got another song? Oh, there's plenty of stuff on YouTube showing you how. Okay. Paid clipping is a huge industry. Maybe you should build that next. Ooh, never loved. Are you sure it's working right? Why? What do you mean? What's not working? I think it just built this, and that's it. Let me scroll up. It's not showing you this. Join room. It's asking you to log in. Like, I'm still interested in building my own service just as a fun project. Yeah, that's the great thing. We could really build anything. Wait, but never loved. You gave me a great idea. Oh. Okay, so wait, what do I have to do? Should I pause Codex? Yeah, private. I am. I'm paying for openai. I'm paying for Claude. I'm paying for now I'm paying for Higgsfield. What else am I paying for? I'm still paying for Replit because I have some of my old websites hosted there, but I do want to transfer them to Vercel. Open a different browser and go to that URL to see what a random person will see. Okay. I don't know. This is a different Chrome profile, but a different browser. Can I do it like an incognito? Oh, wait, so how do I fix that? Yeah, how do I fix that? Oh, never loved. Okay. Let me just wait till it finishes that. Your Vercel is on private. private right now. Just available. You have to ask it to make it public. Okay. Live deploy. Okay. All right, it's on step 3 or 4, so let me just let it rock. Since there's nothing to do anyway after this yet at this phase. So, production deploy. Hey Edwin, welcome. Okay. Right now it's asking viewers to log in when they go to the URL because it's private on Vercel. Please make it public. Also, by the way, Jillian, please, if you're making anything that users have to log into, just use clerk. What's clerk? Your Vercel's on part. Yep. You can say when I open. Oh. You missed that music already. Which music? The one that you made? Do you have any other good ones that I should play? Tell it to run Vercel. Okay. Run Vercel prod, not Vercel. Too bright, even though I'm wearing sunglasses. There's a space. Oh wait, I can still edit it. Well, while we wait, I can play Comfort Zone. So if you're new here, this clerk is what you should be implementing whenever. So is it like a backend Never Loved? Like a super bass type of thing, or is it something different? It's like a super bass. Is it better than super bass? I've built 2 things with a backend before, and I used super bass, but I'm not saying that that's the one to use. Okay, well they're really good. I'll play them again. I'm gonna play Comfort Zone and then I'll play those again. It's like super bass, but all it does is those buttons like log in with Google. Okay. This is the hit single that we made. This is why Josh and I are struggling to make our next hit, because this one is just so good.
A lifetime in a New York loop, teaching to a broken room. So I pack my bags in the dead of the night, pointing my head like.
And this one's my voice, guys, if you haven't heard it before. Or some of you have heard it a million times at this point.
Break the
Okay, cool. Plus context. Y'all better watch out when I have my standing desk tomorrow, because then I'm really going to be dancing. I won't be able to stand still.
In the silence, in the dark, far away from a broken heart, I found my peace, I found my spark.
Alright, Jay's song next. So it depends on the clerk. Okay. Okay, yeah. I see. So I guess I have to. That makes sense. It depends on the app sometimes. Yeah. I only built something with a backend twice. So my experience with that is limited. I don't know if I would be able to tell on that, like based on the app, what to use yet. I'll figure that out. Okay, let's see.
They shipping. They shipping for me, yeah. Jillian's plan. Honestly, I can tell if this bug is for me. Open up the repo, now it's opening for me. PR looking crazy, said looks good to me. If it passes CI, that's good enough for me. Teaching in the daytime, vibe coding all night. Told the class, good luck. Then I went and broke production twice. Job sent a beat, said, Jill, this one might be it. Made a whole song instead, now we're 4 tracks in. Signing the check, yeah, I know what that means. He types one little sentence, now he's farming memes. I said, don't start, he started immediately. Now the whole chat's laughing, this is workplace harassment, allegedly. Jillian's plan. Open up the
of course, never loved.
Handle that. One more tab.
I really have to start thinking like that. I'm just so used to.
Claude knows my APP keys.
I'm so used to like thinking about things in my life, like every single step. Like I'm a big thinker, so I think I need to learn how to think less.
Why you gotta make it look this clean? Now I'm doing what I said I'd be doing. Ultra on the screen, and I'm gone for the night. I was supposed to fix one bug, now I'm studying the UI. Ultra, yeah, that's all I see. Ultra.
To me, it shows like you're just limiting yourself. Yeah, it's just because never loved it. I am such a thinker.
She thinks I'm a real Leslie. Tell her only partly. I let the models write the code, then review it very hardly. 3 agents in the way since all requesting authority. Once it's fixed it, once it's trust me, that's enough security. Josh on another, soon no Jill, we gotta run it back. I said one more generation, now there's 12 inside the stack. Slime sees me getting busy, picks the perfect time to act. I mute the chat for 5 seconds, he comes back with an attack. Yeah, Jillian's plan. I don't really know what's happening, but I have a plan. Pakistan trip, came back with stories and a tan. Then I sat back at the desk and started coding again. New city, same screens, different views, same dreams. I said I'd take a break this week, that was obviously a lie. Ultra, why you gotta make it look this clean? Oh, ultra, now I'm not doing what I said I'd be doing, and I'm gone for the night. I was supposed to fix one bug, now I'm studying the UI. Ultra, yeah, that's all I see.
Yes, Jay.
Ultra, turn it up for me.
Yeah.
Ultra, whole chat losing sanity. Code 5 stream,
If you
create
use
slime
co-work
talking
on-
too late. Josh got the
I
track,
do use
Jillian
co-work.
got the bass.
But-
Ultra,
Yeah. Fire. But right now, Never Loved, I've been using Codex more, but I still have my Claude. You can have
the shipping Jillian's plan. Servers down, stream still live.
you can just have one just for the idea, and then have it talk back to you, and then give you amazing feedback on it, and just talk to it like it's a person. Yeah, I start using co-work again more. Before I even started vibe coding, when I got Claude specifically for co-work, here you could use for players, not login required for a prototype. I dare say your game server already would have some type of database shaped in it already. Yeah, I definitely don't want like a login required. Just go to the URL and just choose a username type of thing. Sounds like what a Blasian song? Yeah, Never Loved. Okay, let's see. It's going to do something. Okay, next song by Jay. Yeah, bass. Just pick, like, type in what you want your username to be, choose a name, and go.
Yeah.
This one is good.
Bass up, who got the crown? Jillian. She walk in, lights turn on, laptop open, night goes long. Teacher in the daytime, queen when the sun goes down. One little stream, now the whole room's turning up. She said, just 1 hour, we know that's not true. 2 cups of coffee and 1,000 things to do. Josh got the music, now the speakers go. Slime said something crazy, she said no. Move it, don't think too much. One light, one night, give me that rush. From the classroom to the city lights, Jillian came to dance tonight. Princess Jillian, everybody move like that. Princess Jillian, whole room jumping when she clapped. Jillian, vamos Princess Jillian, she got everybody like that, oh. Move your body, Jillian, new place, new
Me too,
view,
Jay.
Same girl, same crew, Paxton in her heart, now she's back with a brand new tune. In the morning, bass by the night, she came back smiling, everything feels right. Josh says play it, she says turn it loud. Slime's still talking, some things never change now.
Slime's still talking, some things never change. That is so funny.
Now everybody's looking at the screen. For a minute she forgot the beat.
I personally build pages.
Don't think too much. Hands up,
I think Never Loved.
No plan, no no sleep tonight belongs to me.
I need to lower this.
Juliet. Everybody move like that. Princess Juliet. Hold on, jump when she cry. Juliet. I'm a Princess Juliet. She got everybody like that.
Sorry, I have no idea what the volume sounds like for you. I think it's really loud. The reason why I like to build in pages is because when it builds it all at once for me, sometimes I'm confused as to like what was even built, you know? It's a lot to like figure out. Because when it builds it all at once for me,
Everybody move like that. Everybody move like that. Everybody move like that. Move your partners on. Move your partners on. Move your partners on. The stream.
okay, it should be public.
Princess Jillian all night.
See if this works. Oh, it's really good. We have to get Josh to play them tonight too, when he streams. Okay, let's see what happens. What? Or maybe it's still, wait, maybe Codex didn't push? I deployed. Not a preview. Push, commits. Why is it saying API key 1? It's still private. Okay, let's see. And nothing else is happening. I'll send a screenshot. Okay, perfect. Oh, I can't open Discord right now. Wait, oh, this is a different one. Now it's a different URL. So hold up. I don't know why that is, but it won't. Try this one. Just see if it loads for you. Oh, it's in general. Okay, perfect. Okay, but what did it even do? It says that this verified. Yeah, that worked. Name colored. But nothing is working. Is it because I'm on high now and not extra high? Oh boy. I think I'm gonna have to upgrade my plan like tonight. Yeah. Yep. Failed to fetch. Okay, It's saying failed to fetch when anybody tries to join the room. You can add this to the prompt too. What's that? Oh, it's a different URL now. I don't know why it made another one. Or, well, I guess because now it's, what did Base say? To use Vercel prod and not Vercel. So that's probably why. So I think what happens to you intentionally, what happens, you intentionally told it to only phase 1 in an already small scope task, so it intentionally didn't make it work. Oh, okay. Okay. I see what you're saying. Right, so Trav, that's why you were saying it should have just one-shotted the whole thing. Yeah, looking back now at what this goal is, should have just done that. Yeah, okay. Lesson learned. I think the game itself just intimidates me, like building the game. Yeah. I hear that. I guess it depends on what it is. This I definitely could have one-shotted for sure, looking back now. So, lesson learned. But like, for example, the calculator I built, I could not one-shot that. So, I could not one-shot that. I also get Claude to act like 10 users and QA test everything for me. Yeah, with the calculator, Codex was running tests for me. I really needed it to because there's just so many functions on that calculator. That's just something I feel like, okay, if I built something like that for a client, obviously I would do as much testing as I could, but that would be something where it's like, you know, you provide post-launch support because bugs are things, something complex like that, like bugs are just gonna come up and you don't really know that they're there until you enter that function. So, hey Anthony, how have you been? It's evening for me, morning for you. Good morning. How's your weekend been? Get that espresso ready. This seems like a normal time for you to wake up. Those tricky bugs are called edge cases. Okay. Edge cases. Damn, so much vocabulary, guys. Espresso is cooking. Damn, Anthony, every time you come in here and then you sit, like, we talk about your espresso, it makes me want one, but it's always like way too late in the day for me to be drinking coffee again. So, but it always makes me like think about my coffee tomorrow morning. That's right. How are things? Things are okay, Anthony. Things are okay. Nothing really new. It's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a while for me. I'll just put it that way. I found the cause. Which? Wait. is currently failing. Fixing only the Vercel build setting would recommended fix. Deploy the existing server, and then I'll set its public URL in Vercel. Alternatives. With Vercel. Much larger rewrite. But we should probably be doing Vercel only, right? I don't know what this is. This is another platform that it's recommending me. But, Anthony, actually, there is something new, Anthony. And I need to start focusing on those new things because they're really positive and good things. Some good things are happening. What do you guys think about this? I'm thinking it should be Vercel only just because I don't know what this is. Not gonna say it. Say what? Tell me how it is, Anthony, please. Okay, so Anthony, the good news is, well, you know I started my new job, okay? There's that. What was it, Thursday? Thursday, I was finally eligible to apply for the YouTube paid partnership program to have my channel monetized. So I started the application process. And, you know, it takes some time, like, for everything to get approved and reviewed. But I was able to actually apply. So that's a huge milestone for me, a big accomplishment for me. So I'm very, very happy and excited about that. Yeah, I'm so excited about that. And I started investing slowly in setup upgrades for the stream. So I should be getting my standing desk tomorrow because I'm so tired of sitting, Anthony. I'm a mover, so that's gonna help me a lot. I'll have my standing desk, and then I also ordered some lighting. I ordered a softbox. Obviously I need the device, but I haven't gotten a paycheck yet, so these are things that I could just afford to start investing in now. Standing helps. And incense. Ooh, I should get some incense. I have candles. I love candles. But standing, I think also I'm more productive when I stand, and I think I'm more focused when I'm standing. So I am curious to see. Guys, any opinions on this? Trav, Jay, Base. Sorry to bother you guys. Never loved. I just don't know which deploy the existing server to Callisus Cloud. Callisus Cloud. What is that? Yeah. I do love a good scented candle though. So yeah, the desk is gonna help me, then the lighting. Yeah, no, Trav. So it's giving me solutions, and I just don't know which one to go with. It's saying, what is Callisus? Access 1%. It's saying deploy the existing server to Callisus Cloud. I just don't know what that is. And then it's giving me alternatives, and the third one is Vercel only. but saying it's a much larger rewrite. Replace the closest backend with Vercel WebSockets. Well, I thought that's what we were doing, Vercel WebSockets. I always have a blue light or green light on or green. I have a purple light on right now, Anthony. Well, actually, Anthony, the desk is mine. It's from my old house that I never moved over here, and now it's getting moved over here because I was gonna purchase a new one. What do you mean, for a tax write-off though? Somebody was in here yesterday telling me like all these things, like when I get my new device and all the things that I'm investing in the stream, I could write off on my taxes. Yeah. So down to my outfits, because also on my list of things to buy, I'm gonna buy a whole stream wardrobe. Which is like the fun part for me. But they were saying I could even write that off. Yeah. I'm going in. I'm investing. Now that she's getting a paycheck again and she's just spending it all. But no, it's an investment. It's an investment, you know. That's what I'm looking at. It seems like Callistus is paid, so I wouldn't use it. Definitely steer towards WebSockets. Okay. Thanks, Trav. Yeah, so I made a whole list, Anthony, of all the things I'm going to buy, but I'm glad that the desk is a percentage of square foot of your camera views. Also of your rent. Yes. I do remember my accountant telling me that. And that was just with the teaching job, the remote teaching job, that like part of my rent, my desk, like all those things. So, but the desk, you know, the receipt, it's fine because it's old. I think I wrote it off on my taxes for last year because I bought it for my teaching job. But everything else, you know, the lighting, you're right. I got to save all the receipts. They're all, I'll start making a folder of that actually, because they're all online purchases. So, but that's fine. Thanks for reminding me to do that. My accountant's gonna be like, what? So the more it views, the more you save. Oh, the camera. The more the camera views, the more, like the wider the view, the more square footage that the camera view covers, the more I save. If you get an EIN, you can get business credit. It's a lot easier, in your opinion. Okay. I will also talk to my accountant. I have to talk to him. My accountant, I need to change my accountant. I'm very upset with him. He's been very unreliable. And usually he's difficult to get in contact with, but he gets the job done, but he's not doing a good job right now. Which reminds me, I'll send him a naggy email when I end the stream. Because I just, you know, I'm a new independent contractor, so I paid my estimated tax for the last quarter of 2025. And then when he sat down with me, hold on, what is this? Install Upstash? What's that? Okay. I don't know what just happened. You'd benefit more if you made your channel an LLC. Well, how do I do that? And also, Anthony, like, I am in the process, like, of rebranding the channel, because when I first started streaming, I didn't know that this was gonna become a thing. But I'm really glad that it is, like, that everything happened the way that it did. I'm extremely grateful for it. But I truly didn't think, I was like, there's no chance that people are gonna tune in and shit like that. So now I'm thinking more long term, because I really do enjoy streaming. I love it. I love all the people that I've met and connecting with everybody. It really makes me happy. Like, it brings me so much joy, and you know, just learning so much. But now I have to think long term. So I'm trying to rebrand now, since I'm getting monetized, before it's like too late. So if I wanted to turn it, apply, and it's a few service fees, but it's really worth it. Okay. You'd benefit more if you made your channel analysis. Okay. I have to look into that then. Okay, let's see. I just want this to work. Oh, step 1 of 5. Damn. Damn. So maybe like 250, 300. You don't have to buy insurance. And unless you get sued. Oh God. Well, hopefully not. Anthony, I do have some lurkers who are out to get me these days, which is actually hilarious, because you know, I always think like, oh, little old me, like nobody cares about little old me, but I guess I'm famous, Anthony. I'm freaking famous. But that's so funny. Yeah, so like, I don't know what you're saying, like, but I don't know what they could do that to me over. Your lurkers are probably shit in law plus yours. True. They 100% are. My lurkers 100% are what you said. There's no doubt about that. And yeah, that's right. My sister is a lawyer, so I should be Gucci. But yeah, but that's not I would definitely invest in that. That's not bad. That's not bad. All right, so I'll look into that. Flexible, sorry, what's up? Flexible option to change. I'll just settle already. I'll take pictures. I will have him But yeah, you can totally apply and do everything online depending on what state you want your LLC in. I have to start a PVC soon, so I'm not looking forward to that. Because I have to build with people and make sure they are not ass cheeks. Oh my God, Anthony. We're trying to get it to work, Jay, but I think it's going to take a long time. So basically this failed to fetch. I'll show you, maybe you can understand what was happening. It said that the cause was production is missing Vite game server URL. The recommended fix was deploy the existing server to Callisis Cloud, but then we looked into it and that's paid. So I thought we were doing Vercel only and using WebSockets. That's what the original plan was. Apparently that's a much larger rewrite, so it's working on that now. But it's going to take a while. I'm not sure if I'll stay here for the whole thing. Use sockets and IO. Yeah. I know you doing your runarounds, Jay. Is there, Anthony, like for the LLC, I would assume New York since that's where I'm from, and then like any address. Well, I do use my sister's address for some things, or I'm gonna start. She's not in New York. But are there benefits from doing it in a different state? Oh, doing some chores. Nice, Jay. Get it done. Ugh, chores. I have to do chores too. Oh, it's already on step 3 of 5 now. I guess step 1 was just a long one. Let's see if we could just get it going. Damn, I can't believe tomorrow's Monday already. I didn't get no rest this weekend. I didn't get no rest. Oh, Jay, you're on that meal prep life. I know, the sad face. It's such a large task doing meal prep. I did mine on Wednesday. I don't have a particular day actually that I do my meal prep. I just do it when the food runs out because I just cook in bulk, and then sometimes it's good for a week, sometimes it's good for a week and a half, sometimes it's good for 2 weeks. Like I just put everything in the freezer so everything stays fresh. But Wednesday I did it, and it's like, oh, I know, trust me, I know. You can create your LLC in any state, but a lot of people usually choose Delaware for tax reasons. Ah, okay. Interesting. I should probably talk to my sister about that as well. She might know. Or maybe. Her husband also works in Delaware. Yeah, meal prepping is the worst. I was watching this guy make pasta sauces into ice cubes. Oh, like he made his own pasta sauce from scratch and then froze it to keep it fresh. That's interesting. I don't know. I'm not making no sauce from scratch. I probably could. I could probably make a bangin' one, but because I'm a really good cook, actually. I have to say so myself. I'm a really good cook. And all my food is super clean and healthy, but it's very flavorful. No, don't be sorry, Ultra. I seen you testing. You testing out there. I got alerted that you're testing. It's going. It's going. That's all I can say. It's not working yet, but we're figuring it out. It looks like trash, but I'm not focused on that yet. But it failed. Oh, bye, Jay. Ooh, some naan and chicken. Yum, enjoy that. I'll see you later somewhere, Jay. I'm sure impeccable skill can fix the way that. Yeah, right now I'm not gonna focus on I'm not gonna focus on that, but on the UI, Delaware, $90 to $300 franchise tab. Okay. Oh, you're giving me all the states. Hey, Azor, welcome. Oh, thank you so much. I'm having some issues with my eyes, and I can't see the doctor until Thursday, so glasses it is until then. Let me see what you sent me. Whoa, hold on. It opened up down here. Cool. My signature dish. So I think we spoke about it before. My signature dish is a stuffed pepper, or I know in Europe they call it a stuffed paprika. And it's like it's a bell pepper on the outside, and then I put ground chicken breast, onion, diced tomato, basil, black pepper, oregano. I cook that all up, and then I put it inside the bell pepper, and then I bake it, and then mozzarella cheese on top. That's my signature dish. It's really good. Drunk text, I just want to say I love you all. Well, at least he's a happy drunk today, y'all. At least he's a happy drunk today, Slime, because I don't know, as you said you're drinking Henny. Henny's got you happy. What were you drinking that last time? I was figuring out how to add, but walking and jumping. It looks good, Azor. It looks super good. Trav, why'd you say damn? That's not, oh yeah, that's it is. And it's super healthy. Like I use olive oil to cook, but I use very little of it, and I don't use any salt in my cooking. And I know some people might think that it's criminal, but my cooking doesn't need it, because I don't really eat salt or sugar. I try to stay away from salt and sugar. But it doesn't need it. Like I love spices though, like black pepper, oregano, things like that. The basil, it has so much flavor. And then the thing is you have to make them the day before you eat it, because you got to let the pepper soak up all those juices, so then the pepper becomes tender. It's really good. Let me see what Anthony said. Home state varies, local biz, physical prevalence. That's pretty much it. Well, thank you, Anthony. Lowest lifetime, New Mexico. Okay. And it doesn't matter where I register it. Did you ever go to... No, I didn't get a crock pot yet. I should, because then I feel like that will expand what I can... It will definitely expand what I can make. And then, oh, also in the stuffed pepper, the stuffed paprika, I also put brown rice in that mix. And then my other signature dish is my chicken tacos. And I just do ground chicken, yellow onion. I put a shit ton of pico de gallo in it and a lot of cilantro. And yeah, that's my chicken tacos, and then my homemade guac. And then I recycle. I probably cycle between. I need something else to cook. I've been cycling between those two, just because I love them and they're healthy and I know how to make them in bulk. But I should. SMH what? Oh no! Here we go. SMH what? This looks great, Azor. Okay, we're on step 5 of 5, guys. I have to look up other recipes. Okay, so I tried to learn how to cook one of my favorite Thai dishes, but in a healthy way, and it tasted like shit. It's the first thing I ever cooked for myself that I hated. I hate to waste food, but I threw it out. Because it really tasted like shit. Because the thing is, there's no healthy way to make Thai food because they use so much sugar and MSG and all this stuff in their cooking that I was trying to avoid, that it just didn't taste like Thai food. Just didn't taste like Thai food. Thank you for the validation. I didn't even... Oh, you're welcome, Azor. Okay. Hallelujah. It should work now. I feel like all these vibe coded games look the same. Hey, X-Propaganda. Welcome. Ooh, look, I can move. Oh, hi. It doesn't do anything yet. What happens if we collide? Nothing. Love y'all anyway. No, Slime, I'm just messing with you. We love you, you crazy ass. Let's do it, Slime. This is fun. It does nothing, but it's fun. Oh, yay! We're not, there's no goal yet, but the fact that I even made this and we could all join, this is a big accomplishment for me. We're just running in circles. Oh, I like what you're doing. Let me see what you guys are saying. For real, excess of flavor just makes the dish feel so unusually. That's right. Reach for the stars, baby. Reach for the stars, Slime. Damn, that Henny got you feeling lit. I made an open world Paper Mario game. Ooh. Like a Breath of Wild meets Paper Mario. I don't know if you've ever played them. I have back in the day, X-Propaganda. I love to vibe code. It's so fun. Isn't it fun? I'm glad you're having fun, X-Propaganda. Okay. How about giving it Vector 3D and giving each dot a body of their own? You can also use human customization feature. We need to push forward and become a coding force. I'm working on it, Slime. I'm investing. I got my desk coming tomorrow. I got lighting. I'll have costumes soon. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Now that, you know, I was just waiting to make sure I was getting a paycheck again. Let's do it. Let's do it, Slime. Slime is hype. I know you're drunk. I know you're drunk. I know you are. But you're a very good drunk today. I love the energy you're giving today. I'm telling you, that other day you were drunk and you didn't announce it. I was like, I know that man is drunk right now. But you're a good drunk right now. We love it. How's your date going? Ex-propaganda. We gonna dominate, slime. Not that I need to get you more hyped. You're so hyped right now. I freaking love it. This feels like a good starting point. It is. It is. It is a good starting point. It definitely is a good starting point. You know? And Azor's still going. Azor's still going. Okay. Now, I don't think I'm gonna build the next phase yet because it is pretty late for me. It's pretty late for me. Yeah, baby! Yes, Slime! We got this! We got this. We're gonna take over the world, Slime. We're gonna take over the world. Okay? We're gonna dominate this shit, just like you said. He's so hyped right now. I'm sad to let you go. Oh, yeah, imagine. Imagine. All right. So I can show link with screen. Yeah, I would love that. Can you? I don't know, cause you're on Twitch. Yeah, but if you send it to me. Oh shit, Tom Tom's here. What's up, Tom Tom? Things just got crazier. Let's go! Let's go! Let's freaking go! Everybody's really hyped right now. So I don't know, ex-propaganda. How can you? Oh, good, perfect. I know. There. All right, I'll stay on for a little bit because you guys are going wild. Let's see. So I have a game from. Oh God, sup, baby. I got Slime who's drunk. I know Tom Tom's on hella caffeine. You guys are so freaking crazy. Okay, this was given to me by ex-propaganda. Let's see. Oh, it's so cute. All right, let's see how to play first. Arrows, shift, sprint. What's up? What's up? Oh my God, you guys. It's a turn-based open world. Enter, spacebar. These are a lot of them. Okay, I'm just gonna play, then figure it out. Ooh, the noises. Ooh, what do I want to be? I want to be a panda. Okay, press the, now what?
A book of infinite power once held every fold of the world in harmony.
Oh, let me go.
5 corrupted shards of the Voidbinder tore across the heavens. They fell through the clouds toward the various regions of the planet. One by one, the shards struck the biomes below and split the ground into a blazing fury. Paper fortresses.
All right, let's launch some rockets, Tom Tom. We want to launch some rockets. Let's do it.
4 shadow tethers locked onto the fixed citadel, weaving an almost impenetrable shield. Face the Voidbinder now.
It's not mine. It's not mine. It's ex-propaganda on Twitch. I tested window. We're perfectly on Chrome. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about the lag. Okay. Oh my God, Tom Tom, all caps. It's a game. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Start with strike and then press space as the cursor crosses the green tone. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, wait, now what do I do? Pick the next dummy and keep watching. Time important. Choose strike or technique. Ah. Okay. Oh, wait, what? What do I do? This is really cool, X-Propaganda. One last lesson. Walk to the northern ledge. Read the sign. Day 6-7, Wes. Okay, I'm gonna launch some moneymakers. Time to take on the website. Go ahead, Tom. Do your thing. Okay, he's screaming. He's screaming. If you jump off the edge, it's an open world. Oh, okay. Let's see. So, how do I jump again? Oh. Ooh. This is very good. Oh, okay, so I can jump off the... You can try to rotate. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, wait, hold on. Bye. It's not really... I guess as I move? You said if I jump off the... Ooh, what? Oh. Whoa. Wait, this is like super involved. Step 1. Invoice websites $1 billion business. Need some cash. Oh. Am I really? Wait, so what should I do? Yeah, if you go into the, and choose low graphics. Okay. Oh, settings. Okay. Thank you. The music is so cute too. It's very fitting. Then hit I again to make it go away. Okay. Whoa. You can sprint. What was sprint again? I forget the button. Who are these little mushrooms? Oh. Choose. Oh. What the? Ooh, moss tea, Chris root. Let's go for a sunberry. I don't know what that's gonna do. But... Oh, what? Choose a hero action. Shift to sprint. What's this? I don't know what I'm doing. But wait, this is so cool. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's super cool. It's super cute. You can take photos of each enemy to show their age progress in the battle. I just want to walk around a little bit. The music. See? Oh. And these are all enemies? They're so cute to be enemies, though. Wheel trigger, space A. Even built in a card game. This is really good, X-Propaganda. It's super cute. I just wish the enemies weren't so cute because it makes me sad to kill them. I don't even know what I'm doing. If you hit space when the enemy's attacked. Oh, okay. It's so cute. Cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Let me save this. Actually, I'm gonna bookmark it so I can play it again. Oh, of course. I definitely want to play around with it more. So that's why I'm bookmarking it. Cool. Thanks for sharing. Thank you so much for sharing. I can tell you worked hard on it. This is very, this is very complex. Yeah, isn't it designed? It's a viewer, X Propaganda's game that they vibe coded. And I could tell that you worked really hard on it. That's awesome. That's amazing. There's so much involved. Very impressive. Very impressive. Okay, and now look at my game. Look at my game. Okay. All right, so we're gonna continue doing this tomorrow. Because it's pretty late for me. Pretty late for me. And everybody's so hype in the chat. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let me change.
A lifetime in a New York loop, teaching to a broken room. So I pack my bags in the dead of the night, pointing my headlights toward a better life. I had to pack my bags and go. Break the comfort zone, comfort zone, comfort zone. Break the comfort zone, comfort zone. 'Cause dreams die in the safe and known, safe and known. Break the comfort zone.
All right, guys, thank you for joining me on day 6, 7, right? 2 days from now, it'll be another special day, right? But thank you guys so much. I obviously still need to, I still need to figure out what the actual agenda is going to be for this game. But the fact that we got something that people can log into, was a big accomplishment for me. So now I'm feeling like a little less lost. And thank you guys. There are so many helpful people. Slime, chill, Slime. TMI, Slime. If you're about to do that, I don't know what you're doing up in this stream, but thank you for the support. Slime said he's about to, well, he just retracted the message, but he said he's about to do what 2 days from now is. But TMI, but have fun and be safe. That's all I'm gonna say to that. Have fun and be safe. God, you guys are too lit today. But I do feel a little less lost in this. I'm gonna have a think about what the actual agenda should be. But thank you, Slime. Thank you, Azor. Thank you, Design. Thank you, X Propaganda, Anthony. Love you too, Slime. I love you too. You're crazy ass. Your crazy ass drives me absolutely insane sometimes, but I love you to death. You know that. You know that. Bye, Roro. Bye, Roro. Tom. Chill on the caffeine, but I'm glad you're hyped. We're all hyped. Thank you, Trav. Always such a great help. I appreciate you. Thank you, Ultra, for lurking. Never loved. Jay, as always. I know I don't see the name yet, but Base, you were new here and you were very super helpful. So thank you if you're still there. If not, thank you anyway. Fire. And who else? Oh, Sasa was here. Thank you, Sasa. Thank you, Edwin. Private. Johnny was here. Thank you, Johnny. You posted in the Discord? Okay, I'll read it. I'll read your drunk text in a little bit. You want the glasses? Come to Thailand. Thailand night market. Oh God, I'll read your drunk text in a minute. I'll read your drunk text in a minute, Slime. I can't wait to see it. All right, guys. Love you guys to death. Thank you for the energy today. The energy was really great. I had so much fun. I really had so much fun. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Slime, I hope you don't have a bad hangover tomorrow. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 6-7, right? Day 6-9 Eve. I'll see you tomorrow.